The price of Litecoin continues to dominate the market right here, currently up $124, breaking the previous highs from about a week ago. And if you guys are in my Discord, you guys know that I called this beautiful falling wedge pattern right here and a beautiful breakout. You guys can see right here, I made a bunch of series of trades right here about 72 hours ago, and we are absolutely printing right now on our Litecoin trade, up 72%. We already took $59,000 worth of profit. So if you guys do want to join the Discord, scalp signals, swing signals, market analysis for free VIP chat, make sure you guys click on the link in the description below for the Discord. So having a look right here at Litecoin real quick before we dive in and have a look at what the next price could be, I do want to have a look at a few charts right here. So first of all, number one is a lot of people are fudding that people are selling Ethereum and Bitcoin. BlackRock selling Ethereum and Bitcoin. Well, that's not necessarily true right here. Martini guy breaking BlackRock just sold 275 million worth of Ethereum and Bitcoin. Now, of course, if we have a look right here at the Bitcoin ETF outflow, yes, BlackRock did indeed sell 292 million of Bitcoin, and they did sell 375 million on Ethereum, but that's just because investors who are holding ETFs did take some profit. And pretty much what BlackRock does is they go to an OTC market, doesn't matter if it's Binance, Wintermute, it doesn't matter who it is, and they will pretty much sell them OTC to literally not affect the market price. Okay, so it's going to be a discrete transaction. It's not literally going to be a transaction that's like, oh, market order, let's just nuke it, right? Because if $375 million worth of Ethereum was going to be sold on the market, let's say on Binance, it would have probably nuked by now. And it's not happening right now. The whole market is not happening. But I do want to have a look at a chart, which is a total. Obviously, besides Litecoin, I know Litecoin is exploding. I do want to have a look right here at the total, because I told you guys, if you are in my Discord, I told you guys to take profit at the 50%, which is exactly what happened. If I take the top to the bottom, the Fibonacci retracement, you guys can see that we got multiple rejections at the 50%, which is a 3.74 area. And now we're currently below that resistance once more. The big question is, are we going to have another test before coming back down and reaching 3.49? Only time will tell, but we took 50% on all of our positions right here on Pepe, on XRP, on HBAR, on Litecoin, and on Cardano, which is in fact still up a shit ton of money right now. But that's what's happening on my Discord. By the way, if you deposit $20,000 on BYD5, you get a $2,000 bonus. It's very simple. All you have to do is deposit, transfer that to futures, and within a couple days, you'll essentially get it. This thing does end August 6th at 7 p.m. or 6 p.m. depending on where you are around the world. But pretty much 7 p.m. I believe this is UTC +8, so it's gonna end very soon, in less than 24 hours. So having a look right here at Litecoin, a lot of people are underestimating on what Litecoin could potentially do. Sitting at a $10 billion market cap, or right under $10 billion right here. 24-hour trade volume is sitting at 1.5. A lot of people are going to go to Litecoin and they're going to be like, oh, but crypto LTC is oversold. What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? On the, if they have a look maybe on the weekly timer and be like, oh, it's oversold, that's it, we're not going anywhere. Well, that's not true. I think Litecoin still has some time to move. I told you guys that the next TP it was 116. That was TP1. So if you guys are in my Discord, you guys know right here that I did call three TPs on Litecoin. TP1 was 116, TP2 125 right here, and then TP3 is 144. And then if we have a look right here, the highs of today is approximately sitting at 125.06. Okay, so we did take TP2, which is looking fantastic, and we're most likely going to go and reach 139 very soon. And pretty much that's about it. This is a very strong resistance right here. We do have a massive order block right here at $130. We're gonna need to break that and clear that in order to continue to the upside regarding Litecoin, in my opinion. Now, a chart that I want to talk about that a lot of people aren't paying attention to is the 6-month time frame. We could see right here that the 6-month time frame on Litecoin is absolutely getting ready to get sent, and we are pretty much breaking from a massive 6-month pattern since 2017 on the 6-month candle, since for the first time in a very long time. Let's just say that we've always gone rejected right here, and it's getting tighter and tighter, and it's about time that Litecoin finally explodes. And in my opinion, we should see a price target of $400 and above. I know a lot of people might think I'm crazy, but I think that Litecoin could literally see $400 to $900 this bull cycle. We know what XRP did. XRP did a quick 3 to 4x in a matter of a few weeks to a few months. I wouldn't be surprised right here if Litecoin does the same thing, at least reach $500 within the next couple of months. Yes, believe it or not, you guys think I'm crazy. A lot of people are going to say, oh, Litecoin's dead. believe it or not, guys, it is not dead. Litecoin is about to explode. It's literally about to outpace a bunch of cryptocurrencies in terms of percentage, such as Ethereum and Bitcoin. And pretty much that's about it. So that is my quick video, guys, on altcoin. The total, it looks okay. It looks like we do want to come down after this rejection right here. I'm looking for a bounce at maybe 3.47. This is where I'm going to be going all in. We never really saw a lower high right here, which is of course bearish. And we left a lot of liquidity behind. So of course things can't always go up straight like this, like a freaking roller coaster. We're going to have to see, we're going to have to essentially come down. And pretty much that's about it.